I think plumbers have not the best reputation. I'm sure you know that.
Yes.
We hear that all of the time. We have to build a rapport with them. We have to walk in the door. We have to make them comfortable because we are not there for the one stop. We're not there just for your emergency. We're your neighbor. We want to build that relationship with you. Hence why one of our employees, our son, is like, we need to do this. We need to be able to meet back with our customer, probably like you do with your business. You want to create that rapport and show them that you're not just interested in the one call. You're interested in the relationship. That's what we're interested in, is the relationship.